it can be done.
I'm going to hold that on there and hold the rest.
So basically, you only need to specify the interface if you want to specify one, or if you're hitting link local.
I don't know if you can actually specify the interface with regards to global scope.
Okay.
I don't know. I've never tried it. It's not necessarily possible.
But like, yeah, basically, I was just wondering what are the commands specific for IPv6?
Give me a second. All right, my laptop now has a globally routable IPv6 address. If I want, there really should be a way for me to have this hang out at the top. You know what? There it is. There. All right. Ping on Linux only works with IPv4. If I ping my server, that's your normal ping result from IPv4. If I run ping 6, that's going to operate over IPv6. Well, it says 64 bytes from rosettacode.org. That's because it's doing a reverse DNS lookup. And give us a second to remember how to tell it to not do that. What's your window manager?
Awesome.
I'm using Awesome. Yeah.
Which could help them with awesome. I forgot that.
It's awesome.
I pinged 6 here. What's your IPv6 address?
Oh, let's see. Globally routable? Do you have a globally routable IPv6 address? Well, here. Let's see. Okay. Why is...
So all IPv6 addresses are going to end in that scope, either global or link local or something.
If you're using the IP command to do it, yeah. If config looks a little bit different.
That in for the host.
That's my link local address on the local wireless network. In fact, any of you should be able
To ping that with ping 6.
to ping that with ping 6. If you're running, how many of you are not running Linux on your machines here?
Anybody raises their hand, you're banned.
Several Windows boots, I heard.
I'm gonna guess. What is it?
It's Windows 7 right now.
Okay, so all right, so your command on Windows you just use change for IPv4 and IPv6. Let's see. Yep. So I can show you a couple things at the same time. So there's the address. Now, to ping that address, it's going to be a little bit different from just typing in the address. And the reason is this is a link local address. In IPv6, every single one of your network interfaces gets its own link local address. Now, the other thing is they're at link scope, which means that each one of your IPv6 or each one of your network interfaces has its own scope, because one Ethernet card might be plugged into one network and the other one plugged into a different network. So if you want to talk to a particular IP address on a link local scope, you need to figure out which network you're talking about, and you specify that manually. So in my case, since the interface name is WLAN0, I can say ping 6, that address. Yes, I can copy paste, sorry. Percent, and then the interface identifier. Now, again, I don't remember You still have to use the percent and an interface identifier on Windows. I don't. It uses a different numbering scheme, and I don't remember.
Not familiar yet with Windows access. You just
But-
have to look in like
So
that.
there,
You got it.
I'm pinging my own link local address. So yeah, there's the command to do that, which is down here.
Because if I just try and ping your address up there, I get unknown host.
Address up there.
And then my wireless?
Yeah, your percent and then the interface name.
My interface name.
Okay, let's mention that. You're connected to the local wireless network.
Address family not supported by protocol.
Okay.
WLAN3
WLAN3 is the name of your wireless network.
first.
Yeah.
And is that your personal local address?
It works. I don't know why it didn't.
Well, so WLAN3 ends in 607B. So yeah. Around here, yes. 607. Yeah, so this is that. It says from, and what it is, it's your machine telling you that I can't find it.
I don't know why it didn't.
Yeah, and honestly, I don't sure. I don't think it tell you offhand why.
Well, that was good.
That should have
You start off.
Oh, I have the address wrong.
That's it.
Also, the test I ran on Google said I didn't have IPv6. Oh, okay.
For EED, you're missing a section. Between for EED and FE93, there's DEFF. That's part of it, at least. DEFF. And this is why DNS is really, really nice.
Yeah. There we go.
DEFF.
I'm pinging it.
FE93 6380.
It works, man.
Yeah, you don't have
Okay. You want to see if
IPv6 address. Okay, I'm here. Yeah, configured with IPv6.
Alright, what version do you want to see then?
Puppy, the latest version.
Okay. Run. Yeah, I don't see. Yeah, you're right. I don't see any IP. If you run IP space dash 6
Space
dash 6 space ADDR.
No, that's one that didn't work.
Space.
That's one that didn't work.
Okay, it looks like your system is not currently configured to enable IPv6 at all. There's a couple of different reasons. One may be that they simply didn't build a kernel with that support. It may be disabled under system control. So actually, let's see, cd space / proc /sys enter ls cd net